Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record video in Zoom meeting on a laptop with audio. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up is go ahead and join a meeting. Okay. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you gotta select your microphone and your headset. Okay. Also the correct webcam. Just click on start right here. Now, if you are only a participant, make sure that you notify the admin to enable recording. Okay. If you're an admin to record, just click on more right here. Okay. Or you'll have the record button. If not, click on more. You'll have the record option in this list. Okay. So what you'll do next is just click on record.
Recording in progress.
Say, for example, this is what you're currently recording. Once done, you can pause or stop the video recording. Stop
Recording
it,
stopped.
like so. Close it if you want to. If not, you could go ahead over to your file explorer. Click on documents. Go and find the Zoom folder. Double click on it. And go and find the specific recording. Okay. The latest right here is this one. I'm going to double click on it. Now it says here double click to convert. Okay. Either one or two. So just double click on one. There you go. Wait for the process to finish. And here you have your video recording and the audio recording. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.